Well, it finally arrived. My Wolfbox G900 mirror slash dash cam is finally here. I can't wait to get it wired up and installed. Well, let's see what we have in here. The entire packaging is very, very secure. Look at the size of that mirror. Okay, that's the forward-facing camera. And this is a removable plastic sheet just to protect the surface of the screen. All of your connections are right on the top. Your Type C is where your power is going to come in. Your AV is going to be the plug for the rear camera. You have a micro SD card slot, and it does come with a micro SD card. And then this last port is for the GPS, which is also included. Okay, got a lot of stuff in here. This is going to be the rear camera. They give you a lot of wire. You also get a trim tool in order to snake those wires around and hide them in between the cracks of the headliner or underneath the plastic trim of the vehicle. This kit allows you to provide power to the unit from your cigarette lighter or 12-volt power adapter, whichever you want to call it today. And this would be the GPS unit, and as you can see, it has the word up on it. That means that when you go to plug this in and put this wherever you're going to place the GPS, the pickup has to be pointed up just like it says. Wolfbox provides two different ways to attach the dash cam to your vehicle. These 4 clips are going to be pre-attached to the back of your dash cam when you receive it. That allows you to take these elastic straps and attach the G900 onto your existing mirror. Now, if you want something a little bit more permanent, which is what I did, you can remove these clips, take the screws from these clips, and attach this backer piece onto the back of the dash cam. Then what I did is I ordered up an OEM mount that was specific to my vehicle, and that fastens onto the backer plate in this location. Once I got the OEM mount attached to this backer plate, that then allowed me to attach the G900 onto the stock windshield mount. The mounting base will attach directly to the camera, just like that, with 4 screws, and that will allow me to mount this in place of my stock mirror. And as you can see, all you do is take a Phillips screwdriver and fasten these screws into the back of the camera, and that will allow you to go ahead and then mount this up onto your stock windshield connection. Well, as you can see, I've already removed my stock rear view mirror, and as I mentioned earlier, I had purchased a stock OEM mount for the new Wolfbox camera, and since I've already attached that, I can slide the new video camera slash mirror right over this. And once you get this installed, you just remove the clear plastic strip that protects the screen. In the kit that Wolfbox provides, there is a mounting bracket already attached to this rear camera, and they provide other mounting brackets as well. All I did was remove the stock bracket, and I used some 3M VHB tape, and I attached it to this housing, which covers the rear window wiper of my Jeep. They also give you a piece of double-sided tape, but I just wanted to use the 3M VHB that I already had. This wire that runs from my rear camera feeds all the way back up to the main dash cam up front. There is a thin red wire that is part of this harness, and that would hook up to the reverse lights of your vehicle, so that when you put your vehicle in reverse, it activates the dash cam screen up front and gives you your parking assist lines as well as a rear view. The main unit is wired in to a constant power source. I hardwired mine in, and the purpose of that was to keep both cameras operating all the time. It does have a battery drawdown feature, so that doesn't drain my battery out. Then what I did is I just ran the wire up through some plastic wire loom, as you see, across my LED light, and they give you a trim removal tool, and for me, I just had to run it underneath my carpet and pass some trim up to the main dash cam up front. Okay, as you can see on my Wolfbox G900 that I have installed in my Jeep JK, this is in a screensaver mode right now. Screensaver mode turns off the cameras but still allows them to record. It's just they won't display on the screen here. You can see it's still recording. That's the red flashing light. It's going to record in 1 minute increments, so that when it gets up to 1 minute, the timer will start all over again. It also shows that this is recording in 4K, which is the forward-facing camera, and it is recording in 2.5K, which is the rear-facing camera. Also, my GPS information in mile per hour is showing on the screen, and I have mine set so that I also show or display the day, the date, and the time. In order to get to the settings menu, all you have to do is touch the screen. The display comes back up, and you go over here to the settings button, click on that, and there you have all your settings that you can scroll through. Just take your finger, scroll through, make any changes that you need. Pretty much everything that you need to do is right here on the settings menu. Right after you install your camera and you insert your micro SD card, you're going to want to format it. So you would go to this screen and click on Format SD. Go over here to confirm, and it will format your micro SD card. If you need to reset this back to factory specs, click on Reset Factory. If you need to know the software version that you're running in this, click on this. It will tell you. You have your time zone setting, GPS information, GPS display, whether that will show on your screen or not, and pretty much everything that you need to do is right here in this menu system. All touch screen. To exit the menu, all you do is click on this arrow button right there, and it brings you back to the screen. And if you need to change from the forward-facing camera, which is on right now, you just take your finger, slide the screen. Now you've got a split screen. This is going to show your rear-facing camera and the front-facing camera. Slide it again, and it reverses it. This is going to be your front-facing camera, your rear-facing camera. Slide it again, and there you have your rear-facing camera only. Slide it again, there's your forward-facing camera. But don't forget, it's recording both front and rear cameras, no matter what it shows on the screen. If you need to adjust the view of the rear camera, bring the rear camera up on your screen, put your finger on the screen, and slide it up and down, and that will adjust the image. Simple as that. Well, hopefully, if you get the G900, you're going to find that it's as easy to install as I found it. It has excellent video capabilities. You cannot beat the image that you see on either the 4K forward-facing camera or the 2.5K rear-facing camera. Don't be intimidated with everything that comes with it. It just gives you different options so that you can work with it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Even better, please become a subscriber. And as always, thank you for taking your time to watch my video.